You guys, guess what I got? Today I received my ambassador kit from Piper Noble. And you guys know that I am an ambassador with Piper Noble, and I received my kit, so let's see what's in it. It's such a beautiful day. So I decided we were gonna film this outside. How's everybody doing? It's Thursday. This came in a smaller box than my Kate did. All right, guys, let's see this. So, it comes in a little, nice thin box. Here we go. Beautiful. All right. So, here is my new Piper Noble bag. And I have this beautiful brochure. And we have a welcome. This is a welcome kit magazine. It explains everything. I'm so excited. And I have this as well. So this all comes in your ambassador kit. This is awesome. Now, here's what I want to show you guys. So, here is my Piper Noble new tote, new bag. Hi guys, thanks for watching. And look at this. This one is called the Pippa. Hi Chris. I just received my ambassador kit with Piper Noble. And so, just like the Kate, except this one, the interior is blue. Look at that. Still nice and wide, and my favorite, and this is why I picked this one. Hello. I love it. So this one is called the Pippa. It's blue. It has the same interior as the Kate does, but it's got the print on it. So exciting. So this one has the blue interior and it has the print, and my Kate has the pink interior and the stripes, the black and white stripes. And the cool thing about these is that you can either zip them up to make them smaller on the inside, or if you need more room, you zip them down on both ends, and you have a whole lot of space inside, which is awesome. So this was my old bag and the interior of that, and this is not a Piper Noble, but this one is a Piper Noble, and there's a whole lot more room in there, and that's with one side being zipped up. So this is why I love these bags, and I'm so excited. All right, here is how wide this is. And doesn't go too far down, and it has a strap. So you can add this strap just like this and carry it over your shoulder. This way or this way. Hands free. It's awesome. I'm so excited. So, I love this. So this one's the Pippa, and this one is the Kate. Yay! Oh my gosh. So now I have a real estate bag, and I have another one just for whatever I want to do, plus nail polish. Yeah! I'm so excited. I love you all. Bye.